Want to program your 1999 Corvette key fob? It's a simple process involving syncing your remote with the car's computer. You'll need your key fob, either OEM part number 162427444 or a compatible aftermarket option, and the Corvette itself. The fob uses a 314 MHz frequency and a CR232 battery. First, insert the key into the ignition, then quickly turn the ignition from off to on 4 times within 3 seconds, ending with the key in the on position. Next, immediately press and hold the lock button on your key fob. The doors should lock, indicating a successful sync. If you have more fobs to program, repeat this within 40 seconds per fob. Finally, turn the ignition off to exit the programming mode. Remember, this process hasn't changed since the car's release, so no special tools are needed. If the programming fails, a few things to check. Ensure your car battery is strong, as a weak battery can cause issues. Also, make sure no other key fobs are nearby during programming to prevent interference. If problems persist, an OBD2 scanner might reveal BCM faults like DTCB 2960. Some experts recommend cleaning the ignition cylinder contacts to avoid BCM errors. Most importantly, use reliable OEM or compatible aftermarket fobs, as cheaper alternatives often fail. Remember, programming is a DIY-friendly task, but always prioritize safety and double-check each step. If all else fails, local Corvette forums and repair shops can provide additional guidance.